Dust accumulates too fast. Before you know it, your new spick and span MacBook keyboard is riddled with dust sinking under and in between keys. It loses its overall aesthetic. You won't like anyone seeing you with it, let alone use it. But brushing every speck of dust is such a hassle, taking ages to finish. Canned air always runs out, so it's costly in the long run. Add to that the hassle of having to shake the canned air as the supply runs low. So, here's an easier way to make your MacBook keyboard spotless clean again without removing the keys. In this post, we'll talk about cleaning a Mac keyboard. We also have guides on how to clean a mechanical and an average external keyboard. Be sure to keep track of those by subscribing to this channel. So, to get started, you'll need your Jointstar's Turbo Mini Keyboard Cleaning Kit. With it, you get 5 different nozzles to clean every nook and cranny. You also get keyboard brushes and a keyboard cleaning gel to take care of the grimy parts. The first thing to do is remove loose dirt, pet hair, or food crumbs. To do this, use Turbo Mini's vacuum function and go around each key. Next, attach the slim nozzle and use it to blow off more stubborn specks trapped under and in between keys. Quickly go over with the vacuum again to get rid of the dirt you just scraped off. The next phase is to remove grimy dirt. Most people use damp cloth to do this, but we don't want to risk damaging any circuitry if water accidentally drips off, so a safer way is to use the cleaning gel. Put it over one section for at least 5 seconds to allow it to lift off the impurities. Then, move it to another section of the keyboard and do this until you finish all the parts of your keyboard. Look at how spotless and professional that keyboard looks again. To prevent it from accumulating all the dirt again, try eating away from your computer and regularly go over your keyboard with Turbo Mini so dust and dirt don't pile up. Want to get more keyboard cleaning tips? Get notified by clicking the bell button and get updated with new posts by subscribing to this channel. To get your hands on your own Turbo Mini, check out the description below to get a link. This is Jointstar's, your superb but affordable DIY expert.